Hi dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss about divisibility rule of numbers. Let's check if 30 is divisible by 2 or not. 30 divided by 2. We know that 30 divided by 2 is what? That is 30 by 2. That is 3 divided by 2, 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 carry, then 0. Here 10 divided by 2 we get 5. Remainder is 0. That is here 30 divided by 2 is equal to what? 15. So every number we can check whether it is divisible by a particular number or not. Without actually dividing in this way, we can use divisibility rule. Use the divisibility rule, we can easily find out the given number is divisible or not. First, divisibility by 10. If 50 is divisible by 10 or not, 50 divided by 10, we know that it is 5. 840 divided by 10. What is that? 840 divided by 10, it is 84. That is, what's the divisibility rule by 10? If a number ends with 0 or a number, its ones digit is 0, it is divisible by 10. That is, if a number ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. Next, divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. Let's check. 15 divided by 5. We get a 3. 25 divided by 5. We get 5. 20 divided by 5. We get 4. Then next 40 divided by 5. We get 8. That is, if a number ends with the digit 5 or 0. If a number ends with either 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Next, divisibility rule by 2. Divisibility rule by 2. We already know that if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. A number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. That is number 20. 20 is divisible by 2. That is 10. And 14. 14 is divisible by 2. What is that? 7. 16. 16 is divisible by 2. That is 8. 372. It ends with which digit? 2. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. 4810 ends with 0. It is divisible by 2. That is, if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. That is, here we can conclude. If a number ends with 0, if a number ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. It is divisible by 5. Also, it is divisible by 2. Clear? Next, divisibility rule by 3. Divisibility rule by 3. Consider an example. 36. How to check it is divisible by 3 or not? That is, if a number is divisible by 3, sum of the digit is a multiple of 3. Here let's check. What's the sum of the digit? 3 plus 6. What is that? 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Therefore what? 36 is divisible by 3. Consider another example. 312. Sum of the digit. 3 plus 1 plus 2. What is that? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is multiple of 3. Therefore 312 is divisible by 3. That is, if a number is divisible by 3, sum of the digit is divisible by 3. That is, sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Clear? Next, divisibility by 6. Next, divisibility rule by the digit 6. That is, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. That is, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. Consider an example, 312. It is divisible by 6 or not. What do we do? First check, it is divisible by 2. Look at the digit in one's place. It ends with 2. Therefore, it is divisible by which number? 2. Next, divisibility rule of 3. What's the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 2. What is that? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Clear? That is, if a number is divisible by 6, it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay. Next, divisibility rule by 4. Divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last digits. Last digits means ones and tens place digit is divisible by 4. Consider example 312. Let's check. That is, the number ends with the last 2 digits. Here 12. 12 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 4. Therefore, what? 312 is divisible by 4. That is, if a number with 3 or more digits, we take the last 2 digits. That ends with that digit is divisible by 4. Then the given number is divisible by 4. That is, next another example. 540. Digits in ones and tens place. 40. 40 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 540 is divisible by 4. Next, divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. Okay. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits. In case of 4, is formed by last 2 digits, that is ones and tens. Here, divisibility by 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits. This ones, tens and hundreds place. It is divisible by 8. That is, a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are a single value. Consider an example. 3860. It is divisible by 8 or not. What do we do? The last 3 digits, that is ones, tens, hundreds. From the right, 816. You check 816 is divisible by 8 or not. 8. 1 8s are 8. Then 1 can divide. Then put 0. Then 16 2 times. That is, we get 102. That is, 816 is divisible by 8. Last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Therefore, 3816 is divisible by 8. Another example, 9260. What do we do? Let's check 216 is divisible by 8 or not. 21, 8 3 times. Sorry, 2 8s are 60. Then 5, 56, 7 8s are 56. 216, first 21, 8 2s are 16. Remainder 5, replace 6, 56. 8 how many times? 7 times. That is, we can say last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Therefore, 9216 is divisible by 8. Clear? Next, divisibility by 9 is same as the rule 3. Divisibility by 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Here, if the sum of the digits of a given number is a multiple of 9, it is divisible by 9. Let's check. If 369 is divisible by 9 or not. What do we do? Sum of the digit. 3 plus 6 plus 9. 3 plus 6 plus 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. That is 18 is a multiple of 9. Therefore, 369 is divisible by 9. Another example, 283. It is divisible by 9 or not. What do we do? 2 plus 8 plus 3. We get 13. 13 is not a multiple of 9. Is not a multiple of 9. Therefore, what? 283 is not divisible by 9. Clear? Next, divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. Let's check. 308 and 1331. It's divisible by 11 or not. First, let's check. 308. 11. 2 times 2 11s are 22. Then 8. Replace 8. We get 8. 8 11s are 88. That is 308. Then let's check 1331. 11. 1 time 11. Here 23. 2 times 2 11s are 22. 1. That is 121. Here by division method it is possible. Here what's the divisibility rule of 11? First here take the digits in ones, odd place and even place. Here ones, odd place means 8 is in odd place and here 3 is in odd place. And take the digits in, that is sum of the digits in the odd places. Sum of the digit in odd places. Here what are the digits in odd places? Odd place here 8 plus 3. What is that? 11. Sum of the digit in odd places and also sum of the digit in even place. Sum of the digit in even place. So how to take even and odd places? Here it is ones place, odd place and tens place. That is first digits ones. Tens place. That is even place and in hundreds place. That is third place, hundreds place. That is ones and hundreds place are odd places and what are tens and thousands place, that order, that are even places. Here sum of the digit in even place, here it is only one digit, that is 0. Then find the difference. That is here 11 minus 0 we get 11. 11 minus 0 we get 11. The next number 1331. Same way, sum of the digit in odd places. Here odd place 1 and 3. That is 1 plus 3 we get 4. Next sum of the digits in even place. Second and fourth place. That is again 3 and 4. That is 3 plus 1 we get 4. Next find the difference. That is here 4 minus 4 we get 0. That is sum. What do we do? If a number is divisible by 11, sum of the digits in odd places and sum of the digits in even places and find the difference. If it is 0 or either a multiple of 11, 0 or either a multiple of 11, that is sum of the digits in odd places and sum of the digits in even places and find the difference. If it is either 0 or a multiple of 11, either 0 or a multiple of 11, then it is divisible by 11. That is, what's the divisibility rule of 11? Divisibility rule of 11 is Find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits at the even places, that's also from the right, if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. Clear? Hope that all of you understood the concept. Thank you, dear students.